vision I had for First Financial Security when we started was nothing like it is today. We got involved in the company for a totally different reason. It would be one more of kind of a selfish reason for me, to build a company and to ultimately flip it to a buyer. What has happened is we have met the people, we've gotten involved in the business, in the industry, and we think that it is evident that this company is really the future of the financial services industry, and this is the right place to be for a long period of time.
To be successful in this business, we're seeing perseverance, integrity, people willing to work hard.
It's a heart thing.
It is.
And if you've got a heart for people, you've got a heart for helping people solve their problems, to really change their lives, and not just their lives, but the lives of future generations, then that's it. That really is the type of person that's succeeding in this.
It incorporates most every aspect of your financial security and future into it for the same dollar. We have a training program, a hands-on training program. So as soon as you get here, we take you right out into the field, show you how the products work, help present them for you so you can see how it is. You hear the objections, how to run illustrations. We take you by the hand and show you all that and how our business model works and so forth. There shouldn't be any reason for anybody to be nervous about what it is. We're all linked together. If you're not successful, we're not successful. And so it's to our benefit to make you successful and show you everything, download everything we have into you. And we do that with our base shop field training program.
Well, you got to understand what a NOIS stands for. What happens at a NOIS meeting? NOIS stands for National Opportunity. That's the morning session. And what we offer there is for our agents to invite potential guests. And we want to show them the opportunity that's available to them. And we present a professional venue for it. Hotel, catering, professional speakers, vendor speakers, etc. The whole purpose of it is that if you were to try to recruit a person, you would bring them to your office and you would have to do that one-on-one. What we're doing is giving you the opportunity to tie into a national opportunity and bring as many people as you want and let us pay the bill and do it for you. The afternoon portion, the IS, is informational seminar. And what we do there is bring in our key vendors, key speakers from the home office, key field speakers to impart their wisdom onto the agents. Remember, the people that we have, 85% of them are part-timers, and 90% of the 85%, all they knew about the insurance business was how to spell the word. So for our carriers, for our everything, our regulatory, the more knowledge we can impart upon them, the better it is.
I have a program, Live Your Retirement Dream, which takes baby boomers or anyone coming up to retirement and shows them how they can generate any added income they need for, as I say, their second adulthood, because everyone's going to have a second adulthood, or most people these days. I'm here with the Baby Boom Association of America because I found a common passion with the Baby Boomer Association of America. We're on the same track. We're passionate about helping baby boomers generate that added income they may need for their later years.
There's a big problem out there that we've all experienced, and that problem is that upwards of 50 million American families had the American dream stolen from them through no fault of their own. Okay, they've lost their homes, they've lost their jobs, and they've had their retirement cut in half. I think it's a phenomenal solution for the crisis that the baby boomers are facing, and it's one of the most comprehensive financial products I've ever seen, and it allows them to save money, recover from where they were at, rebuild, and retire in peace of mind.
I really sincerely believe that the baby boomers are just moving to another level, and of course there's 76 million baby boomers. I would really like to see and develop 1 million baby boomers throughout the United States, okay? And possibly evolving over into the Canada area and having the boomers in the Canada area as well. And our biggest mission, our biggest focus is having all the boomers graduate with a mindset of everything's going to be all right. My security is being made because the boomers came into my home to help me retire graciously.
And a lot of people are panicking out there right now because they haven't saved enough. And there's two things you do when you panic. You panic and then you don't do anything because the wheels just keep whirling. Or other folks go to bed, pull the covers over their head and just want it all to go away. While tough tooties, it isn't going to. So anyone who knows that they need to generate added income really has to say, hold the panic. There are people out there who have systems who can help me. There's the Baby Boomer Association of America. They've got systems to help you. Parallel, I've got my systems to help you. You're going to have to take action. That's number one. So take action, contact someone who has the systems, the knowledge, and the skills to help you scramble out of this hole and have the ability to make you live your retirement dream.
Well, the one thing I see about the crisis in the baby boomers nationwide, the baby boomers from 1946 to 1964, there were 18 years. And one of the challenges is the boomers would refinance their house every 2 years. We had 9 terms. In 9 terms, people would get consumer debt up to their ears and say, it's okay, I'm going to refinance and pay off the debt. They progressively got used to paying off the debt. I'm not going to do that anymore, they say. And at 9 different roles, now they find themselves no home, 52 million houses that are being foreclosed upon, no way to have a Band-Aid cure to what they've done in the past. And so they have kept that habit of spending with having that life raft coming back to them on refis. That doesn't happen anymore. The second thing is that the boomers had a tax write-off on their house. Now they're finding themselves renting, no tax write-off, no relief at all. So what we have done is said, listen, you have to be thinking out of the box in order to see that you're saying that about over 50% are going to say, you know what, I got to work the rest of my life. Well, let's join the crusade, have people save money. Grandma used to say all the time when I was a little buck, I've gotten in trouble spending money, but I never got in trouble saving money.
I'm Jordan Goodman. People call me America's Money Answers Man. And there really is a tremendous crisis right now in baby boomers who haven't saved enough. We're getting to that age now. It's like, where's the money going to be to take care of me? So the statistics are pretty scary. Lots of people are relying only on Social Security, or they don't have pensions anymore. So what they have to do is really take some action now. And while they still have some time, maybe their 50s, do something proactive to really make a difference in their lives. The Index Universal Life policy that is offered through Baby Boomers Association and First Financial Security really is the best of all possible solutions for them. It's a product that they can put in relatively small amounts of money or a lot. It's growing on a tax-free basis. If the stock market goes up, they participate in the upside. If the stock market goes down, they don't lose any money. And it's got all kinds of liquidity to it as well. So it really is the best of all possible ways out there. And most baby boomers don't even know it exists. So that's what's so wonderful about the opportunity that the Baby Boomers Association and FFS are offering together, is really going to help a lot of baby boomers survive and thrive in retirement.
Well, I think people are going through the same thing, no matter what the industry is, real estate or saving for their retirement. It's helping people to achieve a goal, to achieve a dream, and to make a change in their life.
How you doing? My name is T.L. Weathers. I'm really excited about this opportunity here with First Financial Security, FFS. I've been in real estate for many, many years. And you know, I've always believed in a residual income. The real estate meltdown has really went bad for me. So I had to look for another opportunity. That opportunity hit me like a ton of bricks. FFS is the way to go for me and my family. We have realized that this is the greatest opportunity around. For one, it's as a residual income, an income for many families out there. You can do something one time and get paid over and over and over. And most people don't really realize what a residual income is. But it is retirement for you and your family. That is actually your legacy, where you can actually put your picture above the fireplace and live happily ever after. Thank you, and I'll see you at the top.
One of the things I love about this company is that it brought a tremendous amount of stability in my life at a time when I was working with the police department, and I was really looking for an opportunity that would allow me on a part-time basis to go out there and live life on my terms. And one of the things that I love about this company is the fact that it really doesn't matter whether you have a lot of time or a little bit of time or even just spare time. It gives everyone an equal opportunity to achieve their goals and, most importantly, their dreams. And one of my greatest dreams was to be able to give my children a stay-at-home mom, and in these difficult financial times, that's almost unheard of. But thanks to First Financial Security, I was able to do that and then some. And my challenge to anybody out there is that if you're serious about exploring an opportunity that could maybe help you get from wherever you are right now to where you really want to be, take a look at it.